Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject Mathematics. Chapter name Lines, Angles and Triangles. Chapter 6, Exercise 6.3, Lecture 1. Today's lesson. To explain some theorems on Exercise 6.3. 12 number here. That's mean in this exercise 1 up to 8 that are MCQ. I will start from 12 number. The theorem are very easy. Now follow. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of side BC. Prove that AB plus AC greater than 2AD. Follow the figure. ABCB a triangle in which D is a midpoint of BC. Okay? We have to prove that AB plus AC greater than 2AD. That's mean by construction we have to add A and D. Okay? Follow here. Particular enunciation given that D is the midpoint of the side BC. Join AD, it is required to prove that AB plus AC greater than 2AD. Construction to extend AD up to E such that DE this equal to AD. Join CE. Proof. In triangle ABD and triangle CDE or EDC or ECD, as you like best, you can read any one, no problem. BD this equal to CD. Given condition, because D is a midpoint of BC, so BD and CD are equal. AD this equal to DE by construction, and angle D, that's mean angle ADB this equal to angle CDE are equal because vertically opposite angle. Therefore triangle ABD congruent to triangle CDE, and hence we can write AB this equal to AC. Clear? Sorry, AB this equal to CE. Now in triangle AEC, AC plus CE greater than AE, because sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. But AE this equal to AD plus DE, and also AD and D are equal, so we can convert AD plus AD because we have to prove AD. Okay, and CE this equal to AB we have already got. Clear? Therefore follow here AC plus AB, that's means C equal to AB greater than AD plus AD. Therefore AB plus AC greater than 2AD. Very easy proof. Okay. Now another theorem, that is 16 number in the figure. Triangle ABC, angle B is equal to one right angle, and D is midpoint of the hypotenuse. AC, prove that BD is equal to half of AC. Particular insertion given that in the triangle ABC, angle B is equal to one right angle, D is the midpoint of AC, join BD, it is required to prove that BD is equal to half of AC. Construction, let us take the point E as the midpoint of AB, join DE. Okay. Since D and E are the midpoint of AC and AB, so we can say D parallel to BC, because we had already proved this theorem. That's mean the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and length half of third side. Okay. And angle AED this is equal to angle BED, because angle B is a right angle and BC and D are parallel, so angle E also one right angle. So angle AED and angle BED both are right angle and equal. Okay, now in triangle AED and triangle BED, AE is equal to BE, DE equal to DE common side, and angle AED is equal to angle BED. Therefore, triangle AED congruent to triangle BED. As a result, we can say AD equal to BD. But AD is equal to what? AD is equal to half of AC. As AD and BD are equal, so we can say BD is equal to half of AC. So proof is complete. Clear everyone? Okay. Now the creative question will be like as, okay, that's mean 2 numbers same as 12 number and 3 numbers same as 16 number. Okay, just you have to write in arrange. Now follow another theorem, problem or theorem. In triangle ABC, the bisector of angle B and C intersect at the point O. Prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Follow the figure. Particular enunciation given that in the triangle ABC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect at the point O. That's mean BO and CO are the bisector of angle ABC or angle B and angle ACB, or in short angle C. Okay. It is required to prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Clear? Proof. In triangle ABC, and we know sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this is equal to 180 degree. Divide on both sides by 2. As a result, left side will be half of angle A plus half of angle B plus half of angle C. This is equal to 90 degree. Now convert this into right side. Left side will be half of angle B plus half of angle C. This is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle A. This is equation number 1. Again in triangle BOC, angle this plus angle this plus angle this, that's mean angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB, this equal to 180 degree. But angle OBC, this equal to half of angle B, and angle OCB, this equal to half of angle C. Okay, just we have to put the value of this equal to this and this equal to this, because BO is a bisector of angle B and CO also bisector of angle C. Clear? But half of angle B plus half of angle C, this equal to 90 degree minus half from equation 1. So here this equal to, we can write this, and angle BOC fixed. Now convert this into right side. As a result, left side will be angle BOC and right side will be 180 degree minus 90 degree plus half of angle A. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. So proof is complete. All the theorems are very easy in this exercise, and that type of theorems you had already solved in class 7, in class 6 and 8. Okay. Now assessment. 2 number we had already proved, and 3 number like as before theorem. Okay, just have to write in errands. So the students, you will solve the exercise 6.3 like as assignment and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 4/5/2021, time 11 AM. So today up to this. Thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.